So our next unit is email marketing. Remember in unit 4, we looked at marketing strategies. Okay. And we are just from looking at affiliate marketing. We'll look at email marketing, and the last unit will be mobile marketing. Okay, so this is the second from the last unit, email marketing. So we explain the basics of email strategy. Then we will explain how to plan and execute an email marketing campaign. We explain techniques for measuring and optimizing your email campaigns. We explain the steps involved in email marketing. We'll discuss how to create a content and deploy it. And finally, we'll explain some challenges of email marketing. Okay, it's a very short topic and straightforward, especially that we have been using. So we just convert that information we share with others in emails. We share marketing information. That is email marketing. So email marketing, the use of email within your marketing efforts to promote a business's product. So email marketing is a form of marketing that can make the customers on your email list other services. So what it means, you create email list, then you will be informing them about discounts, products that you are launching, and the like. Okay, so designing an email. I'm sure we have designed emails before, so this shouldn't be an issue. So L for desktop and most mobile devices. Okay, simpler phones require basic text emails. Okay, parts of an email. You are designing an email. Parts of an email. Number 1, sender information. Okay, from where? Okay, so it will create from. Also, it may create a reply to. You will see these when you open emails. They are default things. What are you talking about? Then there's a pre-header. The pre-header is a line or 2 of text displayed above your email header. Then you have personalized greeting with a database that has the capability to store readers' names. Okay, so you are able to greet them. The greeting of the email. Okay, the main body. Why are you writing the email? You explain the content. Then we have the footer down there. So before we proceed on the footer, okay, so there's a standard footer so that emails have that consistency. And is the customary place, and is customary place is a custom, and is the customary place to the email. So you are able to maintain that consistency using the footer in the email. Okay. The basics of email strategy. If your company decides to use email marketing strategy, 5, defining the purpose and the details of each campaign. Remember, in marketing, goals are very important. Objectives, purpose. Why are you doing this? So you must state that. Number 2, testing your finalized emails to make sure they are displaying as intended. I always encourage people, before you send anything, can you reread, go through it? Sometimes you'll be shocked, somebody are typing things, they send the emails, when you read, you begin to wonder. If it is WhatsApp, you'll be seeing now posting underneath, no, I meant this, no, I meant this. Read before you post anything, okay? Read before you post anything. There was an incident where a secretary was fired because she missed something when she was typing. She wanted to type public. Unfortunately, she omitted an L, and it was something else. She was fired. So please read before you click on send. Okay. Sending emails out to your mailing list. So once you test for the accuracy, have you typed what you intend to type? Okay, then you can click on send. Okay. Number 4, you measure the performance using the market key performance indicators. Remember, you set the objective at the start. Are we achieving the purpose of the email marketing? So you're able to measure that. Then report and analyze your results so that you are able to promote your sales manager or you are able to fire them. Okay. Phases of an email marketing campaign. That is the diagram we see on the next slide, which looks like a product life cycle. Okay. So it goes through these stages. Okay. So there's new customers there, then there's existing customers there, then there's lapsed, okay, or declining activities. Okay. Prospects. Who are prospects? Okay. Who are the prospects in business? These are people who have discovered your website but have not made a purchase yet. Okay. These are potential customers. Those are prospects in business. Okay. So the ultimate goal is to turn prospects into first-time buyers. It is not enough to have prospects. What we need is to have customers. So if we have prospects, we have to work hard to convert them into customers. Okay. First-time buyers. These are those prospects who have been converted and they are able to make a business with us for the first time. First time to buy our product. First time to buy our service. Those are first-time buyers. Okay. Then we have repeat customers. These are those that you have been transacting with for quite some time. Okay. They are coming back again to do business. And you should ask yourself, why should they come back to do business again with me? Okay. So that you don't lose it out. Okay. Then elapsed customers. Who are these? It's up to you to determine the time window for when a customer becomes lapsed. Now, businesses typically choose windows ranging from 3 months to a year. So you might also want to create different emails for different levels of lapse. There are times when there were people who are buying from you, then from nowhere they stop. Okay, they stop. This might show as one email for any customer who hasn't made a purchase in 3 months. Okay, for instance, if you said 3 months would be our lapse time. For 3 months, somebody is not trading with you. Okay, you call them lapsed customers. Okay, but by sending them emails, then again you see them back. They bounce back. Okay, that is the goal of marketing. Ensure that you are able to convert those that have been just seeing your product, they become customers. You are also maintaining those who bought yesterday to come and buy even tomorrow. You are also ensuring that those who stopped buying from you bounce back, start buying from you. That is all about marketing. Okay. And let's see if there's a question or a comment before we look at an effective email marketing strategy. What does it help us? Okay. Number 1, it helps us to direct our business. Okay. Number 2, choose the tactics to apply. Okay. Number 3, collect the data about your audience. As you are interacting with them through email, you're able to gather data about them. Yes, you are very right. I've liked this. This is very interesting. Yes, even in religious gathering, even in the Sabbath school, okay, even in church programs, we have prospect members. Okay, so we must be measuring our performance as church members. How many prospects members have we converted? Okay. Very, very important. Then we have the next thing, you determine the target audience. Okay. Who are our target audience? Then you identify the performance of your email campaigns. Okay. Implementing email campaign. How do we implement our email marketing campaign? Okay. Number one, we define your email marketing goals. Why do you do email marketing? What are your goals? Okay. Once you set them, once you determine them, you build a quality mailing list. So those members, those clients, those prospect customers whom you have got email addresses, create a database for them, a list of emails. Then segment your audience so that you're able to send what is relevant to them. What information would this client need? What information would this? So you group them. Then you create personalized subject lines so that you know for this client, the subject will be this. For this client, the subject will be this. You personalize that. Then you use automation to reinforce your email campaign strategy. Okay. Okay. Okay, I lost you. Let's just continue from where we were. Okay, we were supposed to start techniques for measuring email marketing success. How do you know that your email marketing strategy is performing? Okay, so there are certain techniques that we use to measure the performance of our email marketing strategy. Okay, open rate. Okay, we are looking at how many prospect customers we sent email to, opened them. That is the open rate. If you sent 100 mails, how many are those were opened? As we discovered last time, some people receive emails, they don't know, they just click on delete, delete, delete. 60 mails deleted. They don't want to read. You even miss opportunities. Please read them. Okay. So that is the open. You can use the open rate to measure the success of your email strategy. Then click rate. The click rate or click through rate, it is the same. Is the percentage of those who clicked on any of the links in your email, any link that you sent in your mail. Okay, so there are two kinds. There's unique click and total click. Unique click are those coming from different internet provider addresses, while total clicks include the overall clicks, including those from the same devices. Okay, then the third measure technique you can use to measure is the bounce rate. Okay, you need to track your bounce rate and classify each of them if it's soft or hard. So okay, we are looking at the techniques to measure the success of email marketing. So a soft bounce happens when a problem is due to a recipient's inbox. When you send an email, then the recipient has a problem to log into his or her inbox, okay? Or email exchange server, in which case the email you sent gets stuck in server, usually temporarily. That is a soft bounce. There's also a hard bounce, okay, which you should avoid. They mean you have contacted an invalid or inactive or non-existent email address. So when you send a document or a mail to an email address which is wrong or which does not exist, that mail does not go, it comes back. That is what is called the hard bounce back. Okay, so that one you, the company, you must avoid. So ensure that you send it to correct, you put in correct email addresses, because that is negligence, that is incompetence with your part, as compared to the soft bounce back, which you don't have control over. The last technique you can use is called conversion rate. Okay. The ultimate goal of your email marketing campaign is to get your target audience to become customers, converting prospective customers to become customers. That is your target. So you must be counting that. It's very, very important. Okay. Creating and deploying a content. Once you have created, you want to send it, you want to deploy it. Okay. Number one, write a good subject line. You know, the headline is very, very important. Sometimes we don't read the emails because we just read the top there, delete. Read the top, delete. So create a good subject line. Personalize your emails. Don't send the email meant for this one to this one. No, know that this email is meant for this customer. So you personalize. Number three, make your emails clear first and catch second. Let it be clear. People should understand what you want. Okay. Keep your subject line related to your copy. Keep it relevant. Okay. Don't send things that are not relevant to the people. Then number six, keep it short. People are busy now and they have a lot of things to look at. So don't waste their time by writing a lot of things that are irrelevant. Keep it short to the point. They'll be able to read. Sometimes I tell people to say, if you are texting me, what I know, those are short messages. So if you text me a page, that is not necessary. I'll just look at it and delete it. And don't call me a bad person. I'm not a sinner. I'm just principled. This is a short message. Be brief. Then I'll be able to read and quickly reply to you. Okay. If you want stories, use emails, not SMSs. Okay. Unless if there's a comment or a question before we look at the advantages and disadvantages of email marketing. Okay, let's look at the advantages. Fastest form of communication. Okay, they are very fast, easy to schedule or organize. Promotes content marketing. You're able to explain and promote a product. Highly cost effective. You can just type one email. If you are sending the same information to 50 people, you just say copy, bulk messages, it goes. You are able to track and reportability, as we noticed. But it has its own disadvantages. Deliverability delays. Some people, you send them an email, it will take them 3 days to read. I don't know why they have those email boxes and addresses. Okay. Constant spammings. Okay. Preparing a mailing list may be difficult. You have to compile all the email addresses of your prospect customers. Threat to your website. Okay, these are some of the risks or the disadvantages of the email marketing. So let's look at the challenges of email marketing as we are winding up. Integrating email data with other data systems may become a challenge. Improving deliverability. As we mentioned, you may be sending email, those emails are non-functional and the like, you'll be experiencing hard bounce. Growing and retailing subscribers, achieving measurable return on investment, using email for funnel optimization, leveraging personalization effectiveness, reducing spam complaints, increasing open rates, improving click-through rates, achieving mobile optimization. These are some of the challenges that you have when you are using email marketing strategy. Unless if there's a question, this is how far we can go with email marketing as one of the marketing strategies in electronic marketing. Down here, you have about 5 questions that you need to practice to answer them. Explain the basics of email strategy. Explain how to plan and execute an email marketing campaign successfully. Explain techniques for measuring and optimizing your email campaigns. Describe how to create content and deploy it. Then explain some challenges of email marketing strategy. We need to practice under this unit. as we are revising. Unless if there's a question, this is where we end today. Okay, if there's no question, we are remaining with one topic, which is Unit 10, mobile marketing. We'll look at later, probably tomorrow in the evening, so that Monday and Sunday, we can use it for revision. In case you have challenges in any of the topics, then you let me know. Okay, so thank you and have a blessed day.